Mambo vipi, karibu katika channel ya Feaboy TZ. Hii ni website nyingine ya survey ambayo inaitwa Surveoo. Surveoo ni number 1 paid survey, earn up to 4 euro by poll. Respond to survey and earn up to 300 euro per month. It is possible, earn money online from home. They talked about paid survey. CNN News, BBC News, NBC News. Okay, sign up in just 30 seconds, 100% free. Estimated time 30 seconds. How would you like to earn each day? Up to this one. Kwa hiyo hapa kama jinsi unavyoona hapo unaonyeshwa kwamba ungependelea kupata hadi shilingi ngapi kwa siku, mpaka shilingi 52,000, shilingi 100,000, shilingi 100,000 na zaidi. Kwa hiyo hapa unaweza ukachoose this one, maybe kwa siku ukapata 100,000 na zaidi. Please enter your personal information. Kwa unatakiwa sasa ujaze hii fomu ili uweze kutengeneza free account yako. Okay, sehemu hii ya kwanza hapa pameandikwa name. Enter your name, let's say this one. Then enter your email, let's say this one. After that you can create your password, maybe this. Then after, select your country, which is Tanzania. Date of birth, maybe this one. Month, let's say this. And here you can select your year, maybe this. Then click continue. As you see, by joining Surveoo, you agree with the preference policy and its general terms. Then click agree. Loading, wait. Registration complete. Okay. Personal data. You are a second away from the starting to earn money. To be able to start Surveoo paid survey, please complete your profile below and click submit. Email address, last name, then address, city, zip code. Enable web alert, then delete definitely my account. So as you see here, you need to complete this. Put your address, let's say P, maybe I use this. After that, click send. Your profile has been successfully updated. Complete today's survey and earn cash. Access to paid survey. Click this one. Please note, many safeguards are built into the survey. Your answer is extremely important. Okay, kwa hiyo kama jinsi unavyoona hapa, unapaswa sasa ujaze sehemu hii kama jinsi unavyoona hapo. Available paid survey. Survey ya kwanza hii hapa, participate in survey and end this one. Kwa hii ni dakika 5, na baada ya dakika 5 utaweza kupata shilingi 305 kama jinsi unavyoona hapa. Lakini kuna hii survey nyingine ambayo unaweza ukapata shilingi 238, shilingi 238 ambayo hiyo ni ya dakika 8. Okay, kwa hiyo hapa unaweza ukaklik kwenye survey ambayo unataka ukajibu. Let's say this one. I'm going to show you how to do this correctly. Share your opinion on the things that matters. Start the survey. Click here. Your data. What do you want to collect this? Okay. Click I agree. Counting back from this one, numbers follow 91. Select 1. Counting back from 92. What numbers follow 91? Select 1. Okay, kwa hili ni swali kwamba counting number back. Kwa kama unahesabu namba nyuma, ukitoka 92, namba gani inayofuata 91? Then click this one. After that click this. Okay, what is your year of birth? Andika mwaka wako wa kuzaliwa, example this one. Then click this. Please select the language in which you would like to take survey. English. Then for me it is English. Click this one. What is your gender? I am male. Then click this. Please specify your current marital status, living with partner. Okay, then click this. How many children do you have? 1. then click this. Please specify the highest level of education you have completed. This one. Please choose what best describe your employment status. Self-employed. Click this. Please indicate which of the following best describe your primary area of employment. Then utachagua kama hivyo ndivyo chagua hapo. Baada ya hapo uta click this. Please specify your ethnicity. This is black. Please indicate your total household income. Indicate your household income under this one. Select what is your primary role in organization. Owner. Click this one. Then approximately how many employees work at your organization? 2 to 3. Click this. Thank you, profile completed. Submit. Thank you for your feedback. Kwa hapo tayari umeweza kukamilisha profile yako. Then unachotakiwa sasa kufanya hapo, baada ya kuweza kuona survey ile, utaingia kwenye survey na utaweza kucomplete ile survey. Baada ya hapo unakuwa umekamilisha survey yako, okay? Kwa hii ni jinsi ambavyo unaweza kupata pesa katika website hii. Asante na karibu.